Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo Analytics. In today's session we're going to see a premium feature which is named Form Analytics. It allows you actually to track the different interactions that your forms have, and that's one of the coolest features of Matomo Analytics because it does not require any configuration at all in order to track those different interactions. So let's now see a little bit more in practice how does it work. Okay, so here you have the given report, which is named the Form Analytics. In order to install it, either you use our cloud, which includes this premium feature if you are using the business package, or either you went on the marketplace if you are on-premise and you bought this given functionality. So once you install it, you will see that it will appear here on the left column, just under the goals or the funnels if you have the funnels installed. And as you can see within the overview, it's kind of making the full overview in terms of performances of all your forms. So you can see how many people try to start entering data within forms, how many people finally submitted them, and how many conversions have been overall calculated. Okay. So what is great with this feature, as previously said, is that it's automatically detecting all the forms that you have on your website. You don't have anything to do. Okay. So how is it possible? Well, actually Matomo is taking out all those data thanks to the DOM of your pages. So it's going to take the name of your form element or the ID. And as a result, of course, if you have a form such as the form that we can see up here, right? So down below here, we have a form, and if we look at the source code of the page, as you can see, the ID of this form is WP JB apply form, and as you can imagine, this is not very explicit. So as a result, Matomo is giving you the possibility in the back end actually to give the condition to change this given name by another one. So that we can see here within the admin panel. When you look at measurable and when you click on forms, you will have the possibility to see all the different forms which have been identified on the website, and you will have the possibility to give a nice name to the form ID or the form name or whatever in order to change that out. And as a result, instead of seeing some performances about your form which are very difficult to analyze because they have some strange names, so to give you one example of a configuration which has not been done, this website, for example, the configuration has not been done, and as you can see, when I would like to analyze the performances of a given form, the names are not very explicit, so we are a bit lost and we don't know what are the specific form that we're going to analyze the data about. And here I get actually the opposite, where we properly name, thanks to the configuration of Matomo, the different form that we have. So as you can see here, you have some comment form, I have to apply to job form, I have to add job form, so everything is clean. And for each of those forms, I can get actually the different metrics and the performances that the different visitor add with it. And if I go down the page, I can even get more detail about what are the different fields on which the visitors drop off, or when are they starting actually to type something in it. And I can as well get some extra metrics such as how much time they are spending on it and so on and so forth. So to make it simple, this given premium feature, the form analytics, is going to make your work far more easier, right? You don't need to use any tag manager, you don't need to put some codes within your pages. It's automatically recognizing all the forms that you have on your website, and then thanks to that, it's already pushing out all the metrics to you, and you just need to sit and relax and analyze those data. And that's it for the introduction of the Form Analytics Premium feature. So as an exercise, all we can tell you here is really, well, just install it on your website, see the data coming in, try to configure it if you think that the name that's given within the DOM element of your page are not explicit enough, and then start to analyze the data. I mean, everything is right here, and all you need now to do is just to take some decision based on those data. Thanks for watching.